Welcome to this new edition, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set camera flash to auto turn on and off. So with the camera flash auto turn on and off set, your iPhone will automatically turn on the camera flash when there is no light in your location, or the iPhone will not use the flashlight when there is enough light. Now to do this, all you need to do is open the camera application on your iPhone and swipe up just like this, or turn on this upward arrow. Once you click on that, it will enable this. Then click on this boat icon. Once you click on this boat icon, it should say auto flash, flash auto on and off, on or off. So if you choose on, your iPhone camera flash will be enabled. Then if you click on the boat icon again and you tap off, the camera flash will be turned off. However, to set the camera flash to auto turn on and off, then you need to select auto. So once you select auto, your iPhone camera flash will automatically turn on when the need arises, and it will be turned off when there is no need to use the camera flash. So in most cases, when you are under natural light, your iPhone camera flash will be set to auto off. But when you're outside the natural light and you need enough light to capture your event, your iPhone camera auto flashlight will be turned off. So this is how to set camera flash to auto on and off. So if this is helpful, if you want to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more quality videos just like this.